Funding for Animals of Learning is provided by
Chick-fil-A proudly supports quality educational programming for the whole family on PBS. The cows have no beef with that.
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids. Helping kids discover that families and fun go hand in hand. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
And by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin. The U.S. Department of Education, through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting's Ready to Learn grant, and by viewers like you. Thank you.